So good morning, everyone. Before we start our proper discussion this morning, let us first introduce ourselves. My name is Jasmine P. Arsenan.
And I am Jocelyn Pascual.
Yeah, let's play
James Pastor.
I am provider here. And we are the group. So today, the group two will be tackle about the essential aspects of modern business strategy. So direct marketing is a as we explore its roles, we will look at what is direct marketing is, the key benefits and the key components and the benefits and some of the popular techniques when it comes sa mga ginagawa sa mga businesses karon ng mga strategy. So now, direct marketing is very crucial in business and crucial in marketing, modern marketing landscape. Why? Because by providing a communication strategies, it allows businesses to effectively communicate with their customers. And also, it can booster engagement with their mga potential customers. So we have here 7 points to consider in your direct marketing. First is what is your overall business objectives. So here, for example, if kanang new pa ka sa business industry, the new product is na maligyan ka in a place where all your competitors and all well-stated na mga businesses anak na lugar. So, yung objective here is not to gain profit quickly, but to recruit more customers. So, in that way, direct marketing is very useful since you can send their direct emails or you can create or run e-ads on social media or you can create promotional strategies in order to attract customers. So here, it's okay to lose money at first since your objective here is to not to gain profit directly but to recruit more customers as many as you can. So here, if maabot na po sa stage na kanang lamang na tayo business, so dili ang imong objective kay mo change na po siya, mo shift na po siya into kanang mugi na po profit out of your existing employees or existing kanang customers. So in that way, para ma-retain mo yung mga customers to kanang maging nilang loyalty bitaw, through direct marketing, you can send their for example, makasend ka o special offers with your customers. In that way, that strategy mahinumduman ka sa imong mga tao o will always purchasing repeatedly sa imong products. So the importance of objectives in business, it will provide you a directions or a focus in which and also the most special thing is imong way of success. So next second is what is your positioning. So positioning in marketing is very important. Why? Because positioning is dili siya ma-establish o kinsa ang imong kung unsa ang customer perceive sa imong product o sa imong brand or kung sa imong influence nila to their purchasing habits or behavior. So we have here 3 questions to consider, which is how do your customers see you? Ilado na ba ka sa business industry or nakailan mo or wala ka? So second is how do your competitors see you? So are you a threat ba or unsa ka sa imong mga competitors? And the last one is who do you think you're competing with? Kinsa ang mga competitors nato? So here, in having things, dili lang siya focus sa imong gibuhat, but rather how your customer see your products, your brand, and your competitors in the market. So for example, if your product is kanang mga luxurious na utang, like mga branded. So in that way, you're providing the quality or the durability of your product na nakay makakompare na kasi sa laking competitors kay ilang products kutso lang ang imuha kay branded. So in that way, you can gain customers ng palit ng product. But nasa pay, consider the factors in terms of communicating with them. Dapat formal, dapat makibagay sa dito ka o kinsa di ba, mostly man siya kayo mamalit sa mga luxuries or mga branded dito ka ito mga high level ng mga tao. So dapat ay labi ang approach sa ilaha, dapat formal ka or kanang dapat approachable ka o di. For example, kanang manita ka galit, so na facility, katong customers, katong mabalik sa inyo ha. So, the third one is what current marketing activities do you conduct? So, unsa-unsa pa daw atong kailangan buhaton aside sa mga other activities na nabuhat na nato. So, we have here questions to consider. First is how can the right marketing assist, complements, or even replace what you already do? So, first here, we have three widely different opportunities to take advantage of. First, you send a letter out to your employees, offering them a special discount. So, for example, you can send directly mail letter or you can use your social media because karon na generations very into technology naman. So, dili you can send mga special discount through for example, sa email na siya nimo or mail na siya nimo live or text sa inyo discount sa inyong product. So in that way, ang customer is maniganya sila ng mapalit-palit sa inyong product. So sa second is right the recent customers offering them the opportunity to enter the sweepstakes simply by sending or catalog. So kanyang sweepstakes day guys, katulis ng mga raffle draw bitaw, kanang di ba kanang enter ka, ma-avail ka, tapos pag mapil ka sa winner, nakay madawatan nga product na gikan sa ilaha. So, third, if you are a manufacturer, develop a telephone and direct mail program to introduce your products to new retail outlets, thus freeing your sales force to develop closer contacts with your existing valuable retail customers. So here, importante kayo nga dapat kabalo ka sa mga database or information sa mga customers. For example, aside sa kanang mga telephone or mga telephone number or kanang mga addresses, dapat na makuhanin mo ilang mga background in order for you to have a kanang nakay-kuhan na what if kanang yung customers kay naay bad records or naay na what if kanang conscious sa imuha kanang nag-conscious sa imuha ba din wala kay information na with regards sa iya kaso naay possibility na naay may kapag sa imuha. So diri sa your next di ba nag-talk about sa mga other activities na tumuhaton aside ng mga other marketing nabuhat na. So you can develop a telephone or direct mail program in order for you to spread information directly to your customers. And so the continuation will be discussed with this last one. So the number 4 is what should be the relationship between direct marketing and your promotional activities. So in direct marketing and promotional activities should complement each other. Promotion attracts attention while direct marketing targets individual, while personalized follow-ups discrimination increases engagement and helps travel create access to our data. So you cannot talk about the effect of direct marketing in isolation with your customer dog. So in every communication from your ads, the picture they have of you. In every message you send out, draw to whatever discipline medium. So ang explanation natin sa iya is direct marketing should work together with your other promotional activities, not separately. So in every message
message you send or ads, even the phone call should show that people see your brand. Customers don't separate your marketing messages, they see them as one whole. So it's important that all marketing messages support each other and feel consistent. For example, if you have a same catalog by mail, you might also want to mention your retail store so people can choose how to buy. This way, customers have more options if they have the increased chances will they have made a purchase. So, yan, ang ano, wala number 4 is kanang, what should be yan, kanang, wala bitaw ni ko siya o kanang, mapasayo na lang bitaw ang imuhang kuan, kanang, pagpalit sa ilahang, kanang, mga brand or mga product, bitaw through na lang sa pag-send sa ilahang kuan, email, then i-mention nila ang ilang retail store para ma-kuan sa imong ma-notice, then, kanang, ikaw nga tao is, kuan na lang, kanang, ikaw na lang durog ikaw na lang isa na mapadali na ikaw ikaw na lang gusto mo pili o ahani mo sila gusto mo din mo mapalitan ng product through sa kanang pag kanang gawin nga kuan kanang daghan ka og option bitaw nga gihatag sa ilaha. So ingon ang kuan what should be the description. So the next is what is the say on your database? So, base. An accurate and up-to-date database is efficient and effective direct marketing that ensures messages reach the right audience and prevents wasted resources. Regularly cleaning and updating the database improves everything and overall campaign result. So many direct marketers have wrongly commanded in the computer processing. The computer processing, especially the administrator, has people of little imagination and no awareness of real objectives for the businesses. They have dismissed them and been countries. So thus it actually shows the lack of imagination among direct marketers. So here again, just admit a sales and answer of education. So, for example, if a marketers want to send special offers to loyal customers, they need to access good customer database, something that they can help that if they share the same goals. So, kanang inaanad ikaw kanang kanang like ang mga kuan, mga market database. Kanailan bitaw nga kadagay o marketer kanang gusto bitaw sila mo kuan mo. Gusto sila mga special offer so parang magpasend na lang sila sa kuan is magpasend na lang sila mga special offer sila mga loyal na customer. So yun na bitaw. And ano mo gani siya? Database holds important information about customer. It should be managed by people who understand our business goals, especially in marketing. So, in the past, it was often controlled by admin or finance teams who use it for the task or like billing or kanang mga payroll. So, this sometimes caused problems when marketers wanted to use the rich customer instead of fighting both sides to understand each other needs work together. So, ano bitang mga inanapod na nabayuban ng mga marketers na kuwan bitaw ka ng competitive bitaw kayo. So why not daw dili na lang bitaw ikuan na mo reach ang ilang mga customer kaysa sa kanang mag-fight bitaw sila o kinsa jud ang mga lang sa kuan sa ilang kana. Yes, next. So the number 6 is how we solve the counter marketing within your organization. And organization. So the whole organization should understand and support direct marketing, explaining benefits, sharing success stories, and providing training can help build beliefs and its value. Team support is strength and important as well as their success. So if you are in the early stages of direct marketing in your company and you're encountering problem, the first have to do is to create direct marketing program to your own people. It should be a rate instant word if it is the find a long-term business. So, one example of sa ating number 6 is if you can give a presentation to your team showing how email campaigns help each other campaign. To make direct marketing work in your company, someone important at the top must support it. Without leadership support, it will be hard to make progress. So you need a strong supporter like Columbus mga inan dito nga like mga strong supporter bitaw nga kanang masaligan. If no one not believes in direct marketing, if your efforts may face many obstacles, you should be able to educate your co-workers about it. It should be about it so they can understand the value. And the last part of this is next. As for example, should direct marketing fit with their organizations? Direct marketing should be part of the marketing department, working closely with the sales, customer service, and IT. It makes defend both our resources and give staff with the right placement and career and businesses. So people frequently see the direct marketing in a mythical way. It will help perhaps feel and should be supported as a function of whichever part of organization is likely to use it the most. To those alert organizations seeking to customer the direct marketing function may be required and support, however, ensures customer marketing. So yes, it was as we have seen, direct marketing can play very important role when dealing employees, shareholders, and trade open for just about everyone. So direct marketing is often seen as a tool for sales promotion, but it can be useful in many parts of business, just in the marketing. So for example of this is a company can use direct marketing to send updates to investors or welcome to its employees with personal messages. So it can help also the employee that shareholders and even in social media. So next reporter.
So, five major approaches to direct marketing. Although, we are not at many ways in which direct marketing can be applied. So, you can break down all activities into five sample categories. You can ask people to. So, ang direct marketing, dagan kayo ways sa paggamit ani. Such like emails, phone, calls, text message, or even direct mail, etc. So, next. So, number one is buy through the phones over the phone or off the TV set, either through cash or by putting a credit card or account number. So, tendency number one is ask for the order. So, this objective is all about generating an immediate sales. So, kumbaga, more. So, ang goal niya is to get the customer to make a purchase right away. So, wala na yung dinakamaton silang store. So, another example lang is like order ka sa online. So, so in this case, the customer is being encouraged to buy a product directly through the post, like mail orders, catalog over the phone, like telemarketing, or call in orders. So, of the TV, like information or home shopping channels. So, number two is ask for the catalogs or information which may come through the post. On the telephone or in the hands of salesmen, with or without a consumer prior. So, ang mga consumer may replace product catalogs, brochures, or other information materials to help ang mga consumer para decisions kung palit na sila. So, the post is provided over the this information can be sent to the post, provided over the telephone, or delivered in person by sales representatives. Sometimes company may not even companies may send or present this information even if the consumer didn't especially ask for it. So, ang goal ni is to promote product, raise awareness, and encourage interest or sales. Yes. So, request registration either in the home at work or even the sale. So, ang sales representative sa company is mo bisita sa mga katibalay o madala sa product para mo demonstrate sa mga product. So, the company mails out flyers of targeted neighborhood offering a free home demonstration model of their new vacuum model with no obligation to buy. So it includes QR code and phone number for easy booking. Representative follow up with a phone call to those who receive the flyer to personally schedule the demo. This approach is direct, visual number of demo books and personalized phone numbers objectives direct marketing. So, ang number 4 is visit retail establishments, appeal, short exhibition, event, political, or community event. Kaya siya is bisita ka sa mga event or ka ng mga party, i-represent yung mga product. So, application ginayos na ni isang stores na personalized same message and emails to loyalty program members with a unique QR code to scan and entrance. Ang objective ani is to target a specific customers and to build customer relationships and to to provide trackable results. So, ang pwedeng provide trackable results, rin natin makita kailang mga survey o na ganahan na sila ang ganahan na ito. By using QR code na ilang yung ipang scan, promotional code usage and post visit surveys to measure right ROI engagement rates and overall campaign effectiveness. So, number 5 is take part in some action like joining protest demonstration. So, number 5 is it's all about kung saan pag-join sa mga tawag sa protest demonstration. So, in objective, direct marketing, kasi this tactic becomes direct marketing when an organization directly contact individual groups. So kaning ba number 5 is ang gin ang direct marketing method used is design a personalized emails to support with the date, time, and location for the protest. So they use Teams campaign reminding people to join. They send out direct mail flyers with a call to action to stand up for forest. Join and protest. Volunteers make calls on donors and supporters encourage them to attend. So, ang objectives and is motivate enough people to show up with public pressure and immediate pressure. So, kumbaga, ang direct marketing hindi lang sa face-to-face mo makita, dapat sa through online.
So therefore, four ways to achieve objectives of direct marketing. Number one is exclusivity. This is involves selling a product directly to the brand for a long-term relationship. It's important to sell a product for long-term success. So whether may ang mga product na pag-ibigay wala tayo ng long-term relationship sa mga customer. Hindi siya simple hindi siya kapagpadalan mo. There are common factors to use. Free trial, customer tries the product immediately. So, ang free trial na wala sa visit sa product na lang. sila sa upang product, kung sila magpapalagay. Kaya sila sa beauty, hindi siya tenant beauty. Kung siya ang talagang lang, mga product na pautang ka lang, hindi ka lang, harapan na lang, buy now, then later, like, yung anak pa rin. Ang conditional sa client, life stock cleaning, upfront, but color value, unsatisfied. Mo siya ang, talagang lang, mapalit ka ang mga product test. Kung ay sila, nakita mo ko something, asa ay something na mga damage na ko rin, willing sila ma-refer sa ito kwarta. Yung money back guarantee. Then credit charge starts sales. This is credit people often provide with the offer, other offers. Like, kaya sa mga online selling, ano namin sila, like, sa mga TikTok, sa mga Lazada, sa mga sa TikTok parang, wala na kuan dito, wala na cash on delivery. So magamit ka o kuan GCash kay wala din natin pa o credit card. Then please. Number 2 is continuity relationship. Here the marketers builds a long-term relationship with the customer from the start. Example involves which is insurance, loans, mortgage, charity or political decisions, and membership, lab and collectibles, and credit cards. The number 3 is multi-stage selling. This involves multiple contacts to convert interest into a sale. It's more principle and long-term principle, which is number 8. Sales follow-up as this contribution sila ang magpapalita makikita sila o mag-add sila sa mga ads pero mag-add sila ang mga video. The circle combination sa customer CS and then by the store para combination. Ay, ganang kuan, ganang pagkawan dito sa mga online seller, ganang makita sila sa mga TikTok, mga like, magandang sila makita sa mga ads, pero dito sila mo, ay sa sila mo, makita sa mga legit dito sa mga product. Sa catalog, an agent's offer customer can buy or sales features. Kuan, ganang kung sa ano dito, kuan, like, sa mga abon, sila o sa mga katalog, mga example. Then you know, like, ako sa post-spread ng kuan. Like, wala na mga sa abon po, sila mga reseller, sila para mag-request na sila mga kuan. Sila mga product. And franchise offers leading to potential business partnership. Kaya, kuan, mag-kuan sila mag-negosyo, sila kasi ganawa. Simple o siya negosyo kung mag-franchise ng mga negosyo
Pabasal ko niya.
the secret sales knowing the first stage areas was Number 4 is sales promotion like opportunities. This use promotional tactics to gather sales to the signal for future marketing. Examples include competitions, right? Competitions that discuss focus. Whenever we talk about focus, wala sa mga TikTok na
mag-control wala dito sa market. So, dila naman din squadron tanan kay bayaran din sila o discussion ako. So, ang kani kay murag ang discussion na dito na kay karong ang customer nimo kay imong email like mga customer na ano jud suki na jud mo like imong i-direct email nimo like anong baboy promo sa imo sa inyong product sa imo siya pilitan nga if interested ka pwede ka mo sa mga sales rate so mo na ang kuan sa wala po yung kuan like for example kung mga sana mga restaurant siguro na kanang sige kanang palit ay kanang ato nito sa tao nito tapos nasa na yung mga sushi card kung imo tong kanang ito mag-complete mo kay nakay ka ng discount then pwede po sila mag-email mo ka gabi kay na suki naman ka dami promotion promo o sales na pwede na kabuan hindi if gusto niyo mo try. So, the key to profit. So, here's some other of those marketing situations where directly will be the key to profit. So, A is do your retailers or wholesalers dictate to you. So, the suggestion here is to bypass or at least reduce dependence on middlemen or by establishing direct relationship with customer. Great control. So nakay ka ng control sa imong product like dapat ay ang price ba kay makuan ba siya sa customer kanang ma-afford ko ba nila kanang mga kuan mo loyal na customer then ang branding then customer experience then improve margins since you're cutting out intermediary cost. Kaya stronger customer loyalty as you're engaging direct with the end user. So B, does your brand suffer from regular attempts by others to steal part of your market? So if the competitors are approaching your customer or launching similar products, a customer list becomes a powerful defensive tool. One is direct communication with your audience list. You remind them of your value and uniqueness. So direct communication. Then target offers. Help retain loyalty during times of increased competition. Then insight into customer behavior makes you adapt more quickly than a company relies solely on third-party data. So, mag-build ka of strong relationship sa imong customer para dili siya kanang mailog dayon sa uban niya mga markets. So see, would you like to steal other people customers? So kani kay mga kuan ka. Na imo pang kaon ilang mga product o imo pang so kani kay stealing other people customers. The example is brilliant for its timing and relevance. So, for example, ani kay ang mga tabako kanang for example nag-launch of tabako ang isa din tapos nagka-idea ka nga si kanang imo na kung kanang i-steal ilang kanang product pero ang pinaka-importante ani kay ang kanang customer relationship yun para dili siya mailog-ilog dayon. Then direct marketing allows for smart, agile moves with the market shift. When competitor falters or exchange direction, you can use direct response method. So like mag-email sa mga customers, mag-call ka kadang kung mailong na imo ang kanang product, so dapat nakailaing strategy like mga plan A to plan Z pa na parang mas makontinue pa dyan imo ang kuan. So why speak to everybody when you only need to speak to somebody? So kani kay this tap into one of the core strengths of direct marketing, target communication. Precision, strong volume, whether it's through email, mails, SMS, or phone, speaking directly to the right person, gets that broadcasting to everyone and hoping for the
Kaya ang pinaka-importante na dyan akong business is ang customer relationship o yung sa pagkakuha mo ka ng product, yung value, yung pricing din.
So this is the continuation report of the paid to profit. Letter E, do you recruit people? Well, some businesses like sa insurance company, sa real estate agents, and like sa gimon ni sa kanihan, like sa Ego, is kailangan nila mag-recruit o mga bagong mga investors to make their sales. So, kung saan mo pag-recruit, na kanang dili siya boring o kanang attractive siya sa mga people, sa mga kanang gusto nga mga present ng mga business. So first, kay kinahanglan nimo maipakita ang kanang iyahang sa iyang benefits, iyahang sa trabaho niya nga klaro o kung sa iyahang makuha niya sa iyang business. So next is do you have a catalog or brochure? So imo ang business na may brochure or catalog. So almost all businesses na ay product page or menus katong if naka-remember pa mo katong pagdadakan kita na natin mga menus sa to ang gibaligya kung sa to gina-offer sa customer. Pero kasagaran nila is wala nila ginagamit o wala nila ginagamit yung karon like na pwede nimo ang brochure or catalog imo sa FB para makagain ka o ganang or maka-attract ang mga people na kanang sa social media para mo pansin mo ang product. Tapos next, can you afford to advertise as much as you like to? So, kaya ba nimo magpa-advertise every day or every week inana? So, di ba? Let's be honest na kanang ang pagpa-advertise is to hosting tayo kaya mo magpa-advertise ka sa TV or sa magpa-print para sa iyong brochure or sa iyong flyers is gasto na din tayo. So, para ganit na ang imuhang advertise is kanang isa lang siya kabutakan pero daghan ka ng malukog or daghan kayo na interested sa imuhang kuan, ang ihang key na is kanang instead nga image building ads imong buhaton, you have to promote the brand, then imuhang i-appeal kung kanang kung unsa pa ay mapil ang imuhang sales. For example, kanang nag-post ka nga check out our new milk flavors na nada. So wala di ba ang mga target audience nimo is lagyan lang na siya kay wala man siya kabalo kung unsa pa yung mga other kanang nakabakay freebies na by sales na by kanang buy one take one or something na. So para gani nga maka-attract sa imuhang target audience is imuhang ibutanga try our new chocolate kanang milk flavor ng tulo ang the 10 customers will be sales or kanang discount. So diha pa lang makakuan ka ay balik-balik ka na yung discount or something. Dayon ang main takeaways na nila tanan profit doesn't only come from product or services. Hindi na siya bilang sa product or service. Dapat it comes from how yung sa nimo pag-recruit, yung sa nimo pag-present, o yung sa nimo pag-promote ang iyong business. So next is the 3 major errors. So getting started successfully in network marketing requires just as much hard work and application as getting started in anything else. So here are 3 major errors noted amongst non-direct marketing companies who wish to get started. So kaning 3 major errors, mo ang mga common mistakes sa companies in direct marketing. So first is the failing to follow direct marketing thinking. So some general marketers look down on direct marketing. Para nila ang pag-post lang, mag-direct marketing, ikaw lang ka mag-post. Mag-post lang ka nga, sila nagbahala na kung sales sa sarili. So dili na ang direct marketing. So if you search gani ang social media management, you can, naman sa YouTube, you have the knowledge kung saan mag-promote sa business, kung saan pag-post ka, hindi na yung nag-post lang ka kay para ipakita nito na lang para mo kuhan siya, makadamit siya o mga customer para mag-imo na dito ko yung customer. So, ang ang direct marketing kasi it has style and strategy. Hindi lang yung tayo na post lang. So it needs a different way of thinking, more personal, more focused, and result-based. So, kung mag-post man galing ka about sa inyong product is sa direct marketing, you have goals. Kung say goals, kung say purpose, yan yung i-post mo. Kung sa inyo ang makuha, kung sa inyo ang benefits, kung sa inyo ang makuha na para sa inyo ang business. So that is the marketing, direct marketing. Hindi na siya yung mag-post na ka. So, now in real life example, if not a small food business, then you are someone to help you promote it. But instead of personal messages or promote sa mga targeted offers, nga nag-post na sila random ads without direction. Wala yung goals ba kung saan yung purpose ang mga ads, kasi gusto yung pasabot ang mga ads. Okay? So, ang tip ani is if you can find someone with experience in direct marketing, at least find someone nga find someone nga kanang kabalo siya, nga na-skill ba o kanang maalam din siya sa direct marketing. Hindi ka pwede mo pag graphic designer na imuhangin mo direct marketing kaya. Graphic designer is ikaw na sila mag-design. Mag-design post, gano'n lang. Ang direct marketing, kanang ilangan i-analyze, ilangan i-tawon kung kasi mas benta sila ads para in the next week or in the next future silang business is kanang kabalo sila sa pag-target sa person sa mga tao na imuhang kuan, imuhang gusto kuan. So the next is trying to do without specialist help. So this is the second biggest mistake. Kay companies try to do direct marketing without asking help from specialist. Example, ako business. Kay pag duulan ako sa direct marketing na, kaya ako ni, gusto mag-post, gusto na ako ni makita sa ilahan, sa pagkuhan, na. So, dili siya mao. As I said, ang direct marketing has strategies and not siya ka ng different strategies o different skills. So, something that a sales promoter or a graphic designer is enough. So, wala sa gingawa, dili pwede nga, kuha ka graphic designer kay para mo ni mga direct marketing kay igual din sila mag-design. While ang direct marketing, igual nila i-analyze kung sa best mga tao nga mga di ba naman may mga na trending na reels or something, di ba makita niyo mga gusto mga tao natin nagkatawa na something na. So muna ilahang i-analyze para in the next nila nga work is kana mag-next buong na dito yung mga video. So, next is trying to do it quickly. So, ang last mistake ani is kanang apurado tayo kanang ginarush nila ang result. Like for example, natuwa sila nga pag i-movie post ang isa ka video is trending na siya. Diba dili? Kaya mamot na siya. Usahay, kung dili pa to sa mga netizens ang imuhang post, dili din na trending. Then, naman yung nabantayan, di ba? Usahay, mamot pa years, isa pa siya mag-trending, isa pa na kita sa mga tao ang say goal or something. Muna siya ang katulong mistake sa businesses nga ginarush nila ang sales. Gusto nila pag-post dapat kung na yung mga sales na hindi siya yung nakadali. So to summarize the three major errors in direct marketing. The first one is don't ignore the special way direct marketing works. It's different from general advertising. So, lahi sila kung may lahi sila go, may lahi sila skill, may lahi sila field. The next is don't try to do it alone without proper guidance. So, dili na yung kaya ko ni, wala kay background knowledge kung saan mo market sa mga product. Kaya, you can ask help from someone or search ka sa YouTube, search ka sa mga online websites or na yung mga webinars na gina-offer kung saan mo pagkuhan ang inyong skill. Kaya, the last one is don't rush it. Hindi mo dapat tuloy. Ang direct marketing takes time, patience, and hard work, and smart planning. Right? Kailangan yung planado kayo kung saan imuhang dapat i-post. Kaya dili din siya ingon na dali-dali na siya mag-post. Kaya actually, naka-experience about it was kaya ganang ako sa page yung ipahandle ko, it is dili din siya ingon dali kay mahutan ka o gana nga ganito din mga wala dito kayo ka na like mga tao mga or something mga wala ka na mag-post mo na it takes time jud nga kana kapag ka na ganado kung ka bahala ko rin na post at least everyday ka mag-post everyday mo ginakash ang attention kay magkadugan na dito mo agi man jud na sila ang FYP or sa ang newsfeed so to the point nga na maka-attract mga customer na kana ay nanali ko ni mga kwan ay ad nanali ko sa something na. So the next one is where to look ideas. So so here are some ways kung asa ka makapangita o idea para baligya. Like kung isang asa ko mag-start, asa ko ibaligya, o kung sa food klase na kanang lahi siya sa uban, na kanang uban, bating siya o something. So makapangita ka ideas to copy other people like China, craft, eat, and improve. Dili lang ingon pag yung copy, piyahan dyan mo, wala, benta kayo ko lang, piyahan naman ni one kayo siya o kana, halinong kayo siya something, dili siya inana. Gingon ka copy other people, but improve. Imo i-improve. Like for example, ako nalinda ko o barbecue recipe. Wala nalinda ko barbecue, ay ganang, nalinda siya barbecue din. Ako gusto na ko sa doon kay halin kay ang barbecue. So, ang akong gibuhat is nakoy pa coffee na drinks or nakapoy pa combo or something na. So, muna siya ang imong i-improve. Dili kay, mura din siya i-copy. So next is go to a syndicator. So sa mga syndicator? So a syndicator is a person who organizes and brings together investors or participants in project or deal. So sila nito mga organizers nga kanang mga partners nimo para mo kuha yung business yung partners ka nila kay to investors kasi sila may mag-organize mga investors ko like parang sa wala ka investors ko na sa syndicator no simula na mo doon sa syndicator para makuha yung business so ang wato sa syndicator is i-organize na ito kana mag-i sila yung mag-present sa mga investors kung bakit sa investors kung ano ako investor ganahan ko sa iyang business so hindi na rin mga partners na directly so kini siya nga person kung tapang mo ang sitwasyon sa may or business like I said so usahay ang ano na niya kay if ever na magka-syndicator or magka-partnership ka, is ka na, ang inuhang wala na inuhang profit is ka na ay nakay makuha ang profit kay if ever na pagbuha mo ito, di ba ay pagbuha mo kumaon din ginagalit. So dapat, as long as kuhaan na ang inuhang profit margin is mabawin mo o nakakay makita o nakay kanang profit is ka gamay na para sa iyong mga bata kay lugigay ka ako, inigtuma kay hindi na-cover up na namin yung expenses sa iyong bata kay siyempre, partnership ka. So next is go to trade shows. So trade shows kay mga events kung asa makita ang bagong produkto. For example, na kanang facility ay kanang dito sa kunyari sa Citrey na kanang ipang show up nila ko sa mga kailangan kanang product, like diba ng training. So, yung send na sa city na yung mga perfume, na yung mga cookies or something like that. Kaya ito sa itong product na chain. Diyan, mga pilapin ka dito. Kung nag-idea mo sa business mo, kung sa foul mo, dahil mo man na ka ng mga traces, mga food bazaar or something, na yung lang tawag mo. Hindi yung business atin na, no? Sabi pa ako natin kaya ako i-do. Tayo next is travel. Travel, look at what is being sold in other countries. Of course, di ba? Isang ng Dubai, coffee cups, biraan na sa Dubai. Pero na-import sa Dubai, na ay mga Philippine or wholesaler na nagkakuha dito sa Dubai. So, sikat ang or lindot ang value sa Dubai. So, initapos din sa Pilipinas, itapos na kayo. Kung may pag-ulat yung mga, ikaw ba ng sa mga tao, hindi sila rin na lilit sa common, lilit sa kuwari. Lilit sa quality, lilit sa pera. So, muna mo tapos yung business. So, wag ko na ang lilit sa travel. Pwede ka mag-travel, pwede ka mo lang yaw mo. So, nakita rin mo makapali mo kung sisilitin sa business. Then next is read foreign papers and magazines, look at the ads. Of course, makapangitap ko idea na kanang sulat na magazines, sulat na news, or magandang mga ads na makita lang natin ba sa media. Then next is put together lots of items into a different combination. So, combine different items into one package. So, makakilate ka product na combination sa nagkita. For example, nandun ka ng sa one of kitchen tools, something, kahit information ka kung something, ibutan mo sa bundle. Ibantay mo na may bundle sa gasoline ay kutsara na ay something, plato. Muna siya dito sa bundle put together. Imo siya i-combine para kuha siya pa para doon na paminas sa mga tao kay para ako siya kay kuha na rin siya, bundle siya. So, kaya successful catalog product. So, kung nga kayo makita ang produkto ng sikat sa catalog, pwede mo na ibalik yung online sa mga community. Then next, try to sell something connected with your own favorite hobby or interest. So, kanipon, makita ko yung idea sa inyong business ko, kung sa imong ganahan or sa imong skills, na imong hobby, or sa imong interest, para makakabaan ka sa imong business. So, look at something presently being sold by sales kit. Na yung mga produkto ang ginabaligya sa sales na ito, pwede naman mo ibaligya online or through guided marketing. So, once you start your ideas, they will come to you. So, pag magpasunod ako sa business, is makatlang mag-more ideas. Ganang, kuha na kayo sa business, ano na, dedicated kayo ka, makasunod na business kayo. So, sa kaya mga tao, mismo doon mo. Mag-offer ka ng mga produkto mga ganang bitaw na select benefits. So, I think that's all. So, para na rin makapakita ka sa isang kung asa ka makita sa imong businesses, mag-observe ka sa palibot, i-improve din mo kung saan ang ibaligyan sa lain ito. Imong gamiton kung sa imong interest or sa imong hobby. Dahil i-combine mo, mag-travel ka or mag-read, o mag-explore ka para makakita ka ng idea sa imong business and i-improve. Dahil pag-once na makastart na sa imong business, daghan na idea sa iyo. So, I think that's all. Thank you.